Last fall, I was given this great gift of a box of seeds from Monticello and a book by Thomas Jefferson about his gardening. And now here's what it is. It's a real nice, probably a real expensive box. And look at the bottom of it, made in China. Boy, they really kind of surprised me. I thought it would be a USA made box, but anyhow. You can see it's got some nice hinges on it and stuff there, and it is definitely a nice place to keep seeds, looks like. And inside of it were 12 packs of seeds that came with it. Now, all these seeds were supposedly planted from their descendants of seeds planted by Jefferson. And I thought I'd just give you a kind of a quick look at exactly what was in there. There also was a garden book by about Jefferson's gardens there, and I tried to get into it. It's kind of tough to read because it's more some sketches of gardens, and it's mostly failures and successes and planting notes and stuff like that. Which really I don't know. I guess I don't have time to read them right now, but it does have some information there if you want to take the time to read it, though. But maybe when I get older. But anyhow, I thought I'd give you an idea of some of the seeds, and basically what I found out is these packages all contain seeds that you can get at Baker Creek. Now, these packages only contain maybe 10, 15 seeds in a package, and at Baker Creek you can definitely get a nice big package. And I just wanted to show you that, a lot of these seeds, these older varieties of seeds that they used back then have been made available by Baker Creek. So, you should be able to find these anywhere. And basically, a lot of these are seeds that we plant over and over again any year. But I just thought I'd, let you see what they planted back then and how basically that's what our garden looks like nowadays. And these are some of the seeds I'll be planting this summer. And I just wanted to do a quick video to, let everybody know that probably next week I'll start my gardening videos and getting the seeds started and everything. Because we're getting to that time of the year when the days are getting longer and finally our snow is gone. And there's one of our favorites, a rainbow chard, we call it. And there's another kale. This one wasn't one of our favorites, so kind of not the same as the blue. But anyhow, I just thought I'd give you, a quick look at this. And it is a good idea for a seed box. I may make a nice one someday out of some decent wood to store my seeds in, just to copy the idea, though. But, basically, garden season has started. And I'll start doing some videos shortly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.